Hello, welcome to today's lesson. Today we are going to be answering question B5 of Science Paper 1 of 2022 internal. So without wasting time, let's just begin. Question A. Infrared and radio waves are components of the electromagnetic spectrum. Part 1. Mention one use of each of the following, which is infrared and radio waves. What do we use infrared for? So infrared, we all know that it is emitted by hot bodies, and it is used in heaters. It is also used in remote controls and also in thermal imaging. So since in this question they have just asked for one use, we're just going to pick any of the three. We're going to say it is used in remote control. TVs, right? TVs. Okay, that is it. Then, how about radio waves? Now, radio waves are used in telecommunication, broadcasting, and radar. So, since they have also asked for only one answer here, you can pick any of the following: broadcasting, telecommunication, mobile communication, or radar. Any of the following answers. So in our case here, we're just going to use it for, it is used, okay, in telecommunication. Okay, that is our first, and that's one of our only points, though we have many. Okay, now they're saying, mention one common property of infrared and radio waves. So remember that infrared and radio waves are both, components of the electromagnetic spectrum. They all travel at the same speed, which is the speed of light in a vacuum, and they are all transverse waves. Not just that, okay, they do not also require any medium for propagation. So we can pick any of the following, right? So our answer here we're going to get is that they all travel at the speed, okay, speed of light. That is times 10 to the power 8 meters per second in a vacuum. That is it. You've answered this one. Get your mark from there. Now, they're asking us to say, give one harmful effect of electromagnetic waves. What is the harmful effect? One of them is that they cause, okay, skin cancer. And another one we can pick is they cause what? Tissue damage. Okay, you can say tissue damage or cell damage. Tissue damage when you expose to them for a long period of time. All right. Any of the two will be your answers there. See, they're just asking for one. Now, give one difference in propagation between sound waves and electromagnetic waves. So your answer, which was required here, was this: magnetic waves do not require a medium for propagation. Okay. Wow. Sound waves, okay, design right? So that is it, does. Okay, so we see that electromagnetic waves, they do not require a medium for propagation, while sound waves requires a medium for propagation. So in this case, you can just say electromagnetic waves do not require a medium for propagation, while sound waves requires a medium for propagation. All right. Then finally, they're telling us, mention one factor that affects the loudness of a sound wave. What factor affects the loudness of sound wave? So that factor is the amplitude. Okay, that is our answer here. The amplitude. So this is it, and these were the answers they wanted you to answer in this beautiful question. So if you still have some questions and you still feel like you need more help on these lessons, please comment in the comment section below there, and then or just call me on 0973 1196 85, or simply reach me on WhatsApp on the same number, and I'll be here to help you out with all the challenges you are facing. For now, thank you very much. Let me see you in the next one. Shalom.